On the Pune-Bengaluru National Highway, motorists and vehicles on the road are facing danger to their lives because of wheeling goons. It is disheartening to see that the police is not taking any action to curb this issue. Bike riders perform wheeling from Gabbaru Circle to Belagali Cross in Hubli by removing vehicle registration plates to do the stunts. This is causing immense distress to other vehicles passing by. It remains to be seen whether Hubli-Dharwad Police Commissionerate and Dharwad District Police will take any action against such wheeling thugs who are playing with people's lives by performing stunts on the highway.